What's up friends, welcome back to Joe tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view your account details in your Wise. So as you can see, I'm in the Wise app. I have a bunch of accounts here guys, and in order to view those payment details, it's very easy. Simple click on payments on the lower right hand side, then scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find your accounts. So once you find those accounts, you can simply go ahead and tap on any one of them and you will be able to find the payment details. So you can find name, account number, sort code, IBAN, SWIFT code, and so much more. You can even find the bank address which is for your current Wise account. Now, for the purpose of security, I'm blurring out all of these details here because they're private, but you will see once you have the Wise app and you have those different accounts and currencies, you'll be able to find those once you click on payments. On the lower right hand side, scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll find accounts, and you can find and view all of your payment account details there. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.